Big man
It's another
music.
one. Big F. If you no make money.
Guys, I am back again with another very simple and easy recipe to make. So if you are interested, please just stay connected and let's do this thing together. Okay, so as you can see on top of my kitchen, I am having all the ingredients that I'll be needing for this simple and easy recipe. So if you want to stay healthy and strong, please just follow this channel. You will be healthy and strong every day. So I'll make sure I list all the ingredients that I'll be needing on this recipe. I'll make sure I list it in the description box. So if you want to try this recipe out, please just check out my description box. You will see all the ingredient names that I'll be using on this recipe. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and make sure you subscribe, like, and also hit that bell so anytime I upload new video, you will be the first person to notify. Okay, so today I'm going to make a very simple and easy recipe with rice and my vegetable. So if you want to see how I make it, please just stay connected and make sure you hit that bell and subscribe, like, and stay connected. And as we get into this video, I've already washed my rice very thoroughly and clean. It's very clean and it's looking so clean. Okay, so if you want to try this recipe out, just go ahead and wash your rice very thoroughly. Okay, so this is what normally I do when I'm cooking my rice. I always make sure I apply a little bit vegetable oil into my rice so it can look so simple and easy when I'm cooking it in the microwave. I always cook my rice in the microwave when I'm cooking vegetable rice. So if you have not been trying it, just go ahead and give it a try. It's very simple and easy. It's very simple than the way you are cooking it in your stove. So now I am just going ahead and set it like for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I'll show you guys how my rice is looking like when I'm cooking it in the microwave. Okay, so while my rice is cooking in the microwave, I'll just go ahead and use any amount of vegetable oil that I want to use on this recipe. I don't have any measurement of vegetable oil that you should use on this recipe. Okay, just go ahead and use any amount of vegetable oil that you want to use on your own recipe. Okay, so guys, this is the amount that I'll be needing for my recipe. Like, I don't need too much oil. I don't even want too much oil to be on my rice. So this is the amount of oil that I'll be needing for my vegetable recipe. Okay, so I hope you guys will stay connected, continue watching, and while I am doing the rest. Okay, stay blessed, and I talk to you guys later. So guys, after 10 minutes of waiting, let's see how my rice is looking like. So simple and easy. Just look how it's looking like. It's very simple and easy. So if you have not been giving it a try, just go ahead and give it a try to cook your rice in the microwave. So now I'll just go ahead and pour it into my pot. So after doing that, I'll just give my vegetable like for 1 minute or 2 minutes, then I am done cooking. So it's very simple and easy, my dear. Go and try it out. Go and give it a try. It's very simple and easy when you are cooking your rice in the microwave. So now I am going ahead and just look my pots. So all my chicken have cooked. So now I am just going ahead and turn my shrimp in, and after that I'll make sure my rice followed. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys the end of this video. To end this vlog now because we have already done cooking. So if you have not been giving this recipe a try, just go ahead and give it a try. It's very simple and easy to prepare. It's also healthy. It can keep you healthy and strong. So if you are in the healthy way, just follow this channel. You can be healthy forever. Okay, so as you can see how my vegetable rice is looking like, so amazing. I hope you guys will go and make it for friends and family, and I hope to see you again into my next video, and I hope to see you into my next recipe. And if you have not been subscribing to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to friends and family. Share this video to all your friends and make sure you like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. And I hope you go and give this recipe a try, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye.